In this video, we're going to come up with a rule, which is known as the product rule, for differentiating the product of two functions of x. So if we let y be equal to u times v, where u and v are functions of x, and we'll call that equation 1. And then if we let u change by a little bit of u, which we'll call delta u, and v by a little bit of v, which we'll call delta v, and y changes by a little bit, will also then change by a little bit of y. So basically this will become y plus a little bit of y, because we've actually increased these two by a little bit, is u plus a little bit of u times v times a little bit of v. So we've got y plus, we can say this is delta u, y, sorry, is equal to u plus delta u times v plus delta v. We'll call that equation 2. Now if we now do 2 take away 1, then we're going to have here y plus delta y minus y is equal to this times this. So u plus delta u plus v plus delta v minus uv. Now the y's will cancel out, so we now get a delta y, or a little bit of y, and then expanding this, we're going to get u times v, u times delta v, delta u times v, which we'll write as v times delta u, and then we're going to have delta u times delta v, and then we're going to subtract uv. Obviously uv minus uv, they will cancel each other out. Now if we divide everything by delta x, we're going to have delta y over delta x is equal to u delta v over delta x plus v delta u over delta x plus delta u delta v over delta x. Now if we now take limits as delta x goes to 0, and remembering that the limit of delta x going to 0 of a little bit of y over a little bit of x, or delta y over delta x, is actually the derivative dy by dx. So this becomes dy by dx, this becomes u dv by dx, plus v du by dx. This bit now is so small that we can actually ignore it. So it's virtually equal to 0. And then this is known, this here, dy by dx is equal to u dv by dx plus v du by dx, is known as the product rule, and it allows us to differentiate the product of two functions of x, which I will do in the next video. You don't really need to know the proof, but you do really need to learn the formula. Okay, this has been a video to show you how the proof of the product rule. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.